Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show you a little something. I had a brainstorm this evening. Been thinking about these little toy rock crawlers. And y'all remember this in one of my videos? Well, I burned it up. I was trying to put another controller in it or something like that, or battery, and I burned it up. And it had these kind of wheels. Remember those? Well, I had a brainstorm, and look. That's the original ones. And they got the same size hex. And they are squishy. They're not hard plastic. So I'm gonna put all four of them on there and do a video with them all on there later. Thanks for watching.